Welcome to Insider's English. I'm Vero, and today I'm going to talk about how to use a dictionary. This is part 2 of our dictionary series. For today's video, I'm going to use Longman's Dictionary of Contemporary English. This is the 6th edition, and it was published in 2014. This is the latest edition as of today's video. Today we're going to examine the entry for the word rain. You know that rain can be a noun or a verb. If a word can be a noun or a verb, the first entry will always be the noun. If you want to find the verb, you'll have to look further down the column. You can see that we have it starting here with the noun. We look all the way down and you get to the entry for verb. But today we're only going to focus on the noun. Now, what are the first things that you see when you look at the entry for rain? You'll notice that it's in red. Red means that it is one of the 3,000 most common words in English. I like this feature in Longman because it lets you see immediately words that are essential. Beside the main entry, you will also see S2 and W2. S2 tells you that our word rain is in the top 2,000 for spoken English. Notice the S, that's why it says S2. And it's also in the top 2,000 for written English, W for written. After that, you will see the pronunciation. The pronunciation in Longman uses the IPA, that is International Phonetic Alphabet. If the British and American pronunciation is different, Longman shows you the British pronunciation first, followed by the American pronunciation. The American is shown using an American dollar sign. After the pronunciation, you will be told the part of speech. Our word rain is a noun. The meanings of each word are also listed in order of frequency. This is very important for students because you must know meaning number 1 first. Once you have learned that well, you can move on to the second, third, and fourth most frequent usages. The next symbol we see is this one here between these square brackets. We've already seen N telling us that the part of speech is a noun. Now in the meaning part, we're going to be told more information about what type of noun it is. U between the square brackets means uncountable. If the noun were countable, you would see the symbol like this one here, C. As we noted, U between the square brackets means that the noun is uncountable. However, each meaning can change the usage. Notice in number 2, the word rain has become plural, rains. In number 3, the example sentence uses the article a before the phrase a rain of something. In number 4, we need to use the 0 article. Notice there's nothing before rain here. So before the phrase come rain or shine, you will use no article. After all this, we finally get to the meaning of the word. The meanings will be printed in normal script, like this. It will not be in italics, it will not be bold, and it will not be in a special font. At the end of the meaning, you will find a full colon. This is the final punctuation. After the meaning, we're given different phrases and example sentences. These are always written in italics. So you see you have a night of wind and rain, and also I left my bicycle in the rain. Each phrase and example sentence is separated by this vertical line. Phrases that cannot change are written in bold. In the rain here is written in bold. These are known as set phrases. When you want to express an idea similar to I left my bicycle in the rain, you know that you must say in the rain, word for word. In the example sentences, you're also given the most common collocations. Collocations are words that frequently used together. Here we're told that heavy, torrential, and pouring are frequently used to describe rain. In the example sentence that follows, there will be heavy rain in most parts of the country. You can replace heavy with torrential or pouring. As we noted, each new example will be separated by a vertical line. The sentence will begin with capital letters and end with periods. Notice the light rain had stopped. Capital T, and you have a period. The phrases will not show punctuation. So you know this is a phrase here. A heavy shower of rain. No capital and no period. The last example sentence in meaning 1 gives us a very common set phrase. It looks like rain. The entire phrase is in bold, which means that you can't change it. The only items that you can change in a set phrase are the verb forms. For example, we could use this example in the past. It looked like rain. And of course, you would have to finish the rest of your sentence to agree with that and use went. Finally, we can see that if sub-meanings are needed, they're written within brackets and preceded by the equal sign. It looks like rain needs to be said if there are dark rain clouds. In meaning number 2, we find another symbol. This symbol, the square box with an equal sign inside it, is used to tell you that it would be a good idea to cross-reference the word in bold. This word is monsoon. Cross-reference means to go to another word for more information. I could spend the whole day cross-referencing in a dictionary. I hope you found this video useful. Join us next time in part 3 of How to Use a Dictionary, where we will have an in-depth discussion about verbs in the dictionary. Don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed it, and be sure to leave a comment. You can find more materials about how to improve your English on our website at www.insidersenglish.com.